Really, it was a digital Wild West before we brought Showpad into the organization. I'm Dan Prest, and I'm a Commercial Enablement Technologies Manager. I specialize in the delivery, sometimes the creation of digital products in the commercial space for marketing, for professional affairs, and also the sales functions of organizations. I work for CooperVision. We're a global leading manufacturer of soft contact lenses for vision correction. Before we brought Showpad into the organization, we had marketing managers across the different markets that were creating all sorts of types of presentation, HTML5 applications with weird and wonderful ways of installing them on the sales reps' devices. It was incredibly slow and cumbersome for them to find the content that they needed as quickly and at the right time for the customer. We needed a one-stop shop where the sales reps could go quickly and easily, and they would be able to find the content instantly and not have to worry about the technology sitting behind it. The market had a pivot point in the early 2020s. They did a significant amount of housekeeping. They revamped their experiences, making the content journeys much easier. And what we saw was a 6% increase in annual revenue attainment after that revamp. Turning our attention to the sales professional behavior on the platform, we found that the reps that were sharing more content had higher quota attainment than those that shared less. In fact, an incremental 2.8 million in revenue versus those that were sharing less. The quarter with the highest product engagement in Showpad saw the most quarter-on-quarter revenue growth of that key product line. Navigator is our new custom consultative experience, which really supports our mission to ensure that the management of myopia progression in children becomes a standard of care globally. This custom experience sits directly alongside everything else that the sales rep needs in Showpad. Now, as well as using a consultative selling approach, it directly leverages the Showpad Salesforce integration that we've had activated, and it uses that to read-write data between the platforms to capture the insights that we're gathering from the customer and piping them directly into the objects in Salesforce, which of course is our central repository of knowledge for the customer. It's then my firm intention to take this compelling evidence to the executive leadership. It really drives a case for installing a coherent sales enablement function globally across our organization. I really want to level the playing field and see some increased utilization in some of our lower use markets. The message I have for any other organization looking to install a sales enablement platform, Showpad for us has been amazing. Straightforward platform, simple installation. It's a step change in how sales reps do selling.